Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and here it is getting to be really chilly. The winter is coming, and I am so happy to have these gloves from LIMMAX. So let me tell you what I love about these. First of all, they're very cute. This is the black and white pattern. It does come in a couple other colors as well. When you put these on, you are welcomed into a warm, cozy comfort. Let me show you why. The lining on these gloves is so fuzzy and soft. I know it's hard to see, but trust me, it feels amazing. They are so warm. These gloves are going to keep you toasty warm, whether you are just working outside, maybe shoveling, snow blowing, or you're participating in winter sports. These are the gloves you need. They are waterproof and windproof. And I'm going to do a water test to show you how the water just runs off these gloves. So as you can see, the water just beads off, so you can be sure that your hands are gonna stay really dry and warm. Another awesome feature of these gloves is that the fingers are touchscreen compatible, so you can actually use your phone while you're wearing them and you don't have to take them off and risk your fingers getting cold. They're also adjustable at the wrist, so you can get a really good fit. There is a clip that holds them together, so when you store them, you won't lose one. And there's also a little pocket here where you could store a card or a key. So it just makes it really handy to have everything you need in these gloves. So if you are looking for a super warm, incredibly cozy and soft, trust me on this, pair of winter gloves, I would 100% recommend these from LIMMAX. I really love them. They're a really nice quality, very well stitched and made, and they feel like they are gonna last a long time. And that is my point of view.